Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we are going to go over Quiz 13, the answer. Okay, so the question was, what primarily causes warp in glass-filled material? The correct answer is fiber orientation, okay? Reasoning behind, glass-filled align, or glass fiber aligns with flow and shrinks differently. So think about that. Common ways engineers reduce warp. Okay, 1. Optimize gate location to control fiber orientation. 2. Improve mold cooling balance. Okay, so think about that when you're designing your tool. That way it helps cool to certain areas if you run glass-filled material, okay? 3, keep uniform wall thickness. So don't have one area that's a thicker wall than the other wall, because then it's going to pull to that one side if it's a thicker wall. 4, adjust packing pressure and cooling time. So you want to pack it out and adjust the cooling time on this if you have an issue with warpage or whatever on there. 5, use simulation like Moldflow to predict fiber orientation, okay? So think about this one. If you do a flow mold analysis, you can actually dictate how the part's going to shrink and how it's going to warp inside the mold, or which side it's going to pull, because it'll stay hotter in one area or not. So try some of these. This usually works out. The one I do the most is I always try to do, improving the mold cooling balance. And I always try to adjust the pack pressure and cooling time on molds that are already built. Sometimes you don't have no choice. You got to process around that. So I hope this video helps you guys out. I hope you got the answer correct, was A. Till the next time, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. It helps others find the channel. Until next week, peace.